How to check Instagram login device. For this, go ahead and open the Instagram application first and foremost. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the hamburger icon. From here, head to your settings and privacy option. Tap on Account Center. From here, tap on Password and Security on the account settings. Tap on where you are logged in. Then select the account. Here you can see there are two devices I'm logged into. Now if you want to remove one of the device, simply tap on Select Devices to log out. Then select the device and tap on Log Out. Then tap on Log Out for confirmation. Now once you do that, you'll be able to log out from an unwanted device as well. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.